Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Lynshop ni Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong bat kara karong.
Hadin baka rilum garo bat ka West Giant Hills District, bat katu ka niki benta jong ka rilum kasi, kilama dia ka Jingjia Lynshop ka Bashir Khaiba, haki bor jong ka Mariang. Nakaleng jong ka Sorkar Jylla ka Bthah ya baro ki Deputy Commissioner jong baro ki Khatwai Tili ki District Peitngor ki Peitngor bha khnang ba kindopla ban Jylla bi ki pajba nong song snong hakano no ka por baki kendo jinge o menteri rang ba ka ni ka Jylla u konrat kongkal sama ha ka jekran bat kinong pathai khobor ha ka arpnyo trek mentau bana jemang arajar arpho ulai tho baka Sorkar kalamang pisa kerpangru na ka benta ki District khnang ba ki Deputy Commissioner kinla ban Jylla bi ki pajba ha ki khep badan kam bat haka juga por ke Sorkar kala Bthah ru ya ketnat PWD bat ya kiwe di kitnat trekam jong Sorkar bakin pej halor ke Jingjia penjat jong kisurok bat kilenti singkian nakadaw ke jingjor sebab palat uslap menta ka ayom.
The different disasters and natural calamities that have taken place throughout the state because of the heavy rain and flood that has affected the whole state. But a large part of West Garo Hills, Jingjia Hills, and certain pockets in Khasi Hills also. Friends, the different deputy commissioners have already been told to take necessary steps to ensure that relief is given to all the affected families. At the same time, sufficient funds have been parked with the deputy commissioners in order to take care of those necessities, and at the same time we have asked PWD department and the other line departments to also find out about the extent of damage, especially to the roads in different parts of the state because of the heavy rainfall that we have all seen in the past few days, and we're expecting another 24 hours of heavy rainfall based on the predictions given by the departments concerned. At the same time, as I said, all the departments have been asked and the deputy commissioners have been asked to keep a very close watch, and all steps are being taken to ensure that necessary facilities and all kind of relief is provided to the affected families. Yesterday, our Honourable Member of Parliament from Thura had visited certain parts of Tikrikila and Pulbari, which were very, very extensively damaged. And today, the local MLAs in West Giant Hills have also gone and visited the affected areas, and they will also be submitting the report to us. And post that, I will be taking up the matter and reporting it to Government of India, to the Home Ministry. The damage, of course, from the visual reports, including photographs and videos we have received, is very, very extensive, especially to road. But the assessment is still being done. It cannot be, I cannot give something without, based on just photographs that are coming to me. It has to be officially sent by the concerned department. So the exact detailed report right now of the extent of damage to infrastructure, roads and all is not with us, but it is being collected as we speak. But I can tell you that as of now, at least in terms of the effect of this natural calamity from the 19th to 26th of May, whatever we have received till now is that approximately population of 1,787 has been affected, and about 524 houses have been damaged in different parts of the state. About 5 relief camps have also been set up, and number of villages that are affected is approximately 85. So other details are not there with us right now, they're being collected, but we know for sure that quite an extensive damage to roads have been there, especially in West Garo Hills and in West Giant Hills and other parts of the state also.